So once again students, I'm starting the revision of MySQL commands, okay, and for that I need to have it has to be installed, the MySQL server to be installed in your system. Alright, so first of all I am accessing the MySQL system by using a password, okay, and each and every MySQL server system actually in your machine to be installed with a valid password. Fine. Okay, now let us see the commands and all. First of all, when I am entering the password, so it will give me the MySQL prompt, as you can see out here, MySQL. Alright. So now the thing is that how would I go inside the MySQL? First of all, I need to have a valid database that to be selected or to be created. If you want to create a database, you have to give the command create database, create database and the name of the database, whatever you want to create. Suppose you want to create master2, so you have to give the master2 commands, okay, and that is the thing. And first of all, what you need to do is that you need to use it first of all, and then when you are using it, then in that case you have to give the use command, and use master2 will be the command, okay. And what else, what you have to give, then when you are using the master2, then actually you are inside the working arena. Fine, now you will be able to create the table, okay. So if you cannot, if you are not if you are unable to create the table, in that case definitely you have not chosen the database. So here the use master2 has been used in order to create the in order to use the database. That means your work area has been saved into master2. All right, so that is the thing. And now what else to be created? Now you have to see for that how to create the table. So create table is the command. Create table is the command, create table, and the table name has to be given. So the table name is say T1. Okay, create table T1, and suppose some of the fields you have to choose. That is actually say for the primary key, say I am choosing SID integer, okay, and then primary key. Primary key means here there is no scope of using any duplicate value, okay, whenever you are entering, okay. Then the name varchar, whenever you are entering a string, you have to use the varchar. All right, varchar means like what you call the size is actually 30, okay. So more than that you cannot enter. Say I'm using the city is actually I am using the varchar, and then I am using the 30 again, okay. And then what else to be done, and then putting comma out here, and then each of the fields have to be separated by a comma separator. Fine. So now the thing is that city varchar has been given, some more has to be given, say date dob, okay, date, that is the date field. No need to give any width because by default it is set in 8 spaces only, okay. Say for example YYYYMMDD, okay, separated by dash. All right. So now the thing is that whenever you are entering the date, after entering the date, if you any such field is left, you can give it, okay. Say for example you are giving the phone number PHNO. Since this is a big this is a space is little big, then in that case I am giving it into varchar only, then I am giving it as 10 maximum 12 spaces. All right, the phone number. All right, okay. So that is the thing. And now my things are over, then semicolon I am putting, and then pressing enter. All right, then pressing enter. So that the table has been created. If there is something wrong, then definitely error will be shown, okay. So query okay means your table structure is perfect. All right, that is the thing. So now once you have created the table, if you want to confirm whether the table has been created or not, okay, first of all I am coming to the database, whether your database has been created or not. How will you see? Show databases is the command, show databases is the command, okay, and then press enter. So it is showing here master2 out here, okay. And now whether the table has been created or not, if you want to make sure, then you have to give show tables command. Show tables command will make you perfect, it will confirm whether the table has been created or not. All right, so the table has been created, okay. So I will tell you one more thing, that the MySQL is actually case sensitive, okay. So when you are writing in small letter, capital letter, it doesn't matter. So that is what the demonstration that I am doing, that is theory as well as for the practical also. That is the thing. So once the thing has been created, once the table has been created, now you can go for confirming its structure, whether the structure that you have given it is correct or not, okay. For that you have to give a command called DESC, and then you have to give T1. All right. So this DESC and T1, when you are providing actually, then in that case what you have to do, you press enter. It will show you the field name and the status. It is clearly showing that this particular key is actually the primary key, means here no duplicate value can be given, okay. In that way, why you are putting the primary key? Because in that way we are actually reducing the scope of data redundancy. All right, so that is the way to see the structure of the table. are coming to the inserting of records. Fine. So insertion of the records, how it is to be taken place. Now let us come to it, and let me explain you that how this is to be done. All right. Okay. So now let us see that insertion of records. First of all, I have to give the insert command. Actually, the insert into table name values. Okay. Okay. Insert into okay, table name is T1 and then values. This is actually the command. Okay, next you have to give the value set of values. Okay, so SID, you see here it is integer given. Okay, if you are not giving any default any width for the integer class, then it will take automatically the 11 character length. Okay, as its width. Fine. So this is the primary key. Now suppose say I will show you the utility of the primary key right now. You can just follow. Okay, 3 to 1 suppose I am giving. This is an integer data, that's why. And then when you are inputting the this thing, what you call string data, in that case you have to give it within the double quote. Say its name is actually say Ajay Singh. Okay, Ajay Singh, well within the length of 30. So I am doing it. Okay, now next what I am doing, I am doing the city. City is Kolkata, suppose Kolkata. Okay, and then comma, and then you are giving the DOB. DOB is date of birth. Now this is, you have to be very careful. Date of birth means 2000, suppose 4 hyphen 05, then hyphen hyphen then say 13. Okay, that is YYYYMMMDD has been inserted in that way, and then this has been closed within a single quote. That means what, whenever you are inputting a character data, and you are inputting a date, okay, then what you have to do, you have to put it in a single quote. So students, you have finally seen that how this is to be done. Okay, so Kolkata, and this is the date, that's why it has been put into the pair of quotes. All right. Next, where we are going, actually we are going to the phone number. Phone number is also to be given single quote, since it has been given in varchar. Okay, varchar means string data if you want to insert. Fine. So now say I am giving 8921345617. This is the data actually been given, and then okay, sorry, okay, just a minute. Once again I am giving, okay, insert into table name T1 and then values, then within bracket what I will give here, SID is 3 to 1, then comma, then semicolon, say Ajay Singh, then say comma, it is city is Kolkata. So you have, I think you have understand that what is the purpose of it. Okay, 2004, okay, hyphen say 04 hyphen say 15, or 15. All right, so that has been done. Okay, now your phone number 89765. So order has to be maintained out here. Integer, then all two are varchar, means like string, then this date, another is again varchar. Fine. So now 34521. All right. So then single quote, and then it has to be closed. All right, semicolon, it has to be put. Then this particular record will be inserting, then press enter. Okay, so query okay means you have inserted it successfully. Now the best way to do the practical things and all, theory you have to write the whole thing, but when you are doing the practical, in that case what you need to do is that you can press the up arrow key from the keyboard, and then the previous commands will come. Then next what will happen, this one will be changed. As I have told you, I will show you the utility of the primary key field, so you just watch it. So I am just changing this data. All right, say I'm changing this data, say Manish. Okay, Manish Kumar, okay, is the data name Kumar. Manish Kumar is from Kolkata. His date of birth is say 5, and then say 4 out here, then say 18. All right, then phone number you just change it. Okay, then what is happening, 34213657889. all right, that is the phone number. Okay, so pressing enter. Now you see out here, so error, duplicate entry means this 321, this is actually the primary key field. See here, it is primary key field, you can see out here, that's why this particular data has not been accepted, since it is showing you duplicate. Fine. So now what we have to do, that we need to change the primary key, then only it will be accepted. So this is the utility of the primary key. So the main utility of the primary key is to reduce the chance of data redundancy. Okay, so that's why when you have kept the 321, in both cases it has not been accepted, because it will cause a data ambiguity also whenever you are extracting the data from the table. Fine. So this is the way actually you have, that's why you have to put the primary key in the table. I think I have well explained regarding the purpose of the primary key. Next we will go to the further insertion of the records. queries, as we have inserted certain data out here. So now it's a simple query, how this is to be made. Query means what? Query is actually working as a filter. It is functioning as a filter. It will not show you, display the whole set of data, but what it will do, it will show you a certain set of data based on criteria. That is actually the meaning of query. Fine. Now the thing is that I am just showing the entering data once more in order to confirm it. Okay, select star from what? T1. T1 is my table name. Fine. So now press enter. So what is happening out here? The entire set of records has been displayed. Now from this record, say I want to display all the records of the students, or the employee name, whatever you say. Okay, from T1. Okay, those who are living in Siliguri. Okay, there are 2 records Kolkata, 2 records Chennai, 2 records Siliguri. Fine. So now the thing is that, how would you do so? Okay, so for that you have to do this way. Select star from T1. Okay, where city equals to what? City equals to, you have to give the single quote and then type Siliguri. Okay, so you have to be very careful about the case now, because it has been entered inside the table in capital letters, so you have to give the capital letter only. Don't give it in small letters. So this is one query. Select star from T1 where city equals to Siliguri will show you the records of Siliguri only. Fine, this is the way. Okay, and say this same kind of query can also be applicable in this way when you are not actually removing the equals to and you are writing the like clause. Okay, what will happen in that case? The like clause, if you are giving in this case, then select star from T1 where city like Siliguri will be displayed. Okay, the same thing will be displayed over here. You watch it carefully, the outcome. Okay, you see here the Sujit Gupta, Suman Sen, here also the same thing. Fine. That is the thing. But if you want to be selective, those who are living in Siliguri, say for example, you want to see their name, okay, and name and city, okay, and for phone number. Okay, these 3 things you want from this, then PHNO. All right. So what will happen in this case? In this case, what will happen? You see out here, just I'm leaving the query till up. Okay, scrolling the little bit up so you can see nicely. Select name, city, phone number from T1 where city like Siliguri. Then what is happening? Okay, then you will be able to display only name, city and phone number. Okay. And those who are living in Siliguri, for them that particular information will be displayed. Now let us see what it displays. Okay, sorry, that is a unknown number because it is wrong, because the PHNO is the field name. Okay, so I have made a mistake out here, so you need to rectify it. Okay, sometimes errors are there, so you need to rectify it also, because while typing we might have some when we are doing it in hurry, in that case. Fine. So this is the thing has appeared now. The same name, city and phone number has been appeared. All right. Okay. Now I am coming to a very important keyword, that is called distinct. Distinct will remove all the duplicate values. Suppose say example. Okay. Say for example, so I am going back to the previous commands. Okay. See here all are from Kolkata, Siliguri, Chennai, but here are 2 data for Kolkata, 2 data for Siliguri, 2 data for Chennai. Now say I am giving out here select distinct city. A distinct city from T1. Okay, so if I am giving, so then what will be displayed out here? Select distinct city from T1. If I am giving, let's see, watch it carefully. Okay, sorry, that is a SQL mistake. Okay, select distinct city from T1. I think it has to be given within bracket. Okay, that is, I think, so then only it will be appearing. Fine. Sorry, sorry. Excuse me. Select distinct city from distinct, keyword is there. Okay, and then I'm going over here and then giving this one. So this one. Okay, select distinct city from T1. Distinct. Okay, the error is coming actually in this particular command. Error is coming, so you need to be careful. Not to be distinct city is actually giving the error. Okay. Distinct keyword will be a perfect one, but the things I will show you later on, because of some error is coming, so you have to check out the error first of all, then why it is coming. So okay, so let us come to the another one. Say for example, if you want to display the phone number of the person, those who are living in Kolkata, so what will be the query? Select PHNO comma city, okay, from T1, okay, where city like what, say Kolkata. Okay, say Kolkata. Okay, from Kolkata you want to display the phone number and the city. So what will you do? You will do in this way. Fine. So select phone number, city from T1 where city like Kolkata is the query. So all the names there is a mistake. Okay, PHNO it will. Now next phase we are coming to the, as I told you, that insertion of records. Once more I am coming over here. Okay, so already we have inserted 2 records over here, some more records to be inserted. So what you will do, as I have told you, that is an advantage while doing the practical. Okay, you need to press the up arrow key, so you need to no need to type the entire command in that case, but theory you have to write, that is there. Okay, but the thing is that in this way you can reduce your work timing actually. Okay, so I'm giving 456. Suppose his name is Suman Sen. Okay, Suman Sen is living in Siliguri. Okay, Siliguri. Okay, and then date of birth. Okay, date of birth is actually say 2003, and then hyphen 11, and then say his name 14th. Okay, and the telephone number is say 998706765543 is the this thing. Okay, so it will take you up very fast. Okay, it's not it when you are pressing the up arrow key from the keyboard. Okay, and then previous command will be seen and the down arrow key for the next command. Fine. Okay, so one row has been inserted. Now one more record I am inserting here. So this is just a demonstration of the insertion of records. Okay, say 7, 60, 56 or 60, 65, whatever it may be. I'm saying Ranit Gupta. Okay, Ranit Gupta is also from say she's from Chennai. Okay, Chennai, and say date of birth is 2004, and then it is 12, and then it is say 18. All right, and then telephone number is say 99087658890. All right, and then press enter. Okay, so the record will be inserted. Some more records we are inserting in this way. Okay, so that is the process of inserting records in a table. Okay, so 432, and then say okay, Sujit Gupta. Okay, Sujit Gupta is from Siliguri again. Okay, so some records we will enter in this way, so that will give you a good practice over this particular thing. Sorry, it will be 2005. Okay, and then I am entering here again the it is 11. Okay, and then 11 13. Okay, and the phone number is 9870945362 or 361 whatsoever. Okay, just press enter. Okay, so the record I am inserting in this way. Say actually say it is very important to change the primary key fast. Okay, that's what, otherwise you might have problem, so the error might come. Okay, that is why I am doing so. Okay, say this name is that Sujoy Ghosh. Sujoy Ghosh. Okay, Sujoy Ghosh is from Chennai. Okay, CHENNAI, Chennai, and then he is actually from 2005. Okay, hyphen 2005. Sorry, hyphen not 11. This time I am taking 02. Okay, sorry, hyphen. Just a minute, 02, and then I am taking out here 14. Okay, and the telephone number is 98765432119. All right, so entering. So I have entered so many data out here. You can see as I have entered many data out here. Okay, so now let us see that how the records have been stored in our system. All right, so I am doing what? Select star from, that is the command actually. Star is a wildcat character actually that will display for the entire set of data actually. Select star from, say your table name is T1. Fine, so I am doing the T1 semicolon entering. Okay, you see one by one all the records have been inserted. So I have inserted so far 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 records I have inserted. Now when I am giving string star, it is showing you everything from there. But if I want to be selective, say I want to see SID, name and date of birth, so in that case what command, how I will give? I will give each field name separated by a comma. Okay, SID comma name comma DOB. All right, so what, and another thing is that this from clause has to be given over there for every kind of thing whenever you are extracting data. Okay, give semicolon out here, it will show you what SID, name and date of birth from the table T1. Okay, you see out here, then the selective things has appeared over here. Now select star from T1, actually it gives me the entire set of data. Now you say this is the number of records. You can see as 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 fields are there, so the degree of the table will be 5. And what is the cardinality? 1 2 3 4 5 6. I am having the 6 records, that's why its cardinality will be 6. So the degree of the table will be the number of fields, and number of records will give you the cardinality of the table. However, if you want to count the number of records from a table, so what you have to give? Select count, and then you have to give star over here, and then just a minute, and a star from, okay, T1. That will give you the number of records present in your table. Fine. So now we had made a mistake with the distinct, and you have seen the output of this one over here. Actually the mistake was actually form has been written to be from, okay, by mistake while typing. Alright, that is the typing you have to be very perfect about, okay, that's why, otherwise this kind of error might generate, okay. Alright, so no need to be worried for that, just you check out whatever you have typed, okay. And this particular city, that is why phone number city has been displayed for the city Kolkata has been displayed out here. Now let us come out with the distinct keyword once more, okay, so you'll be able to understand it, okay. So first of all select, okay, select distinct, okay, city from, okay, so very careful, from T1 it will show you all the records, okay. So that is the thing. So Kolkata, Siliguri and Chennai, the main purpose of that, not to display the duplicate values, okay, whatever it has been stored over there, let it store over there, but it will not show you, okay, that is the thing. So what we will do is, just once more we will go back to the comment. So you see out here 2 times the Kolkata, 2 times Siliguri and 2 times Chennai has been appeared out here. So but what is happening, actually we are actually displayed only once, okay, that is the thing. So Kolkata 1, Siliguri 1, so even if it is 5 times also, then also it will show you 1, because distinct keyword is such a kind of keyword, it will never show you the duplicate values, okay. So only the values which are which are distinct, that one will be displayed, okay. So now if you want to count it in that way, so how many are there, so it will show you select, this is the another thing out here, select count, okay, then you have bracket, you are putting distinct city, okay, distinct city, okay, distinct city from where, from the table T1, okay, from table T1, that one will be displayed, okay. So count distinct city, what it will do, it will show you the output 3, okay. Why output 3? Because the distinct values are only 3, that's what, okay. Just opposite to it there is a keyword called call, okay. So if you are giving out here all, okay, sorry, count and distinct all city, distinct, not instead of distinct, if you are putting all out here, it will show you the all, okay, everything, okay, all. So it will showing you now 6. So all duplicate values have been counted when you are using all, not even that, okay. So if you are giving, just remove count over here, it will count over here, and just keeping the all city, then what will happen, it will show you the all the cities, all right, that is the thing. So now in this way actually the things will take place, okay. That is the difference between distinct and all over here, okay. So and you will be able to access it right now. Now the thing is that one more command that I am explaining to you, actually this is the order by. Order by is what actually that is used for sorting, okay, sorting records. So if I want to sort the record by SID, okay, in descending order, okay, because it has been already sorted in ascending order, and the name and all you can do it descending and ascending as well, okay. So the thing is that how I will do, okay, select, okay, select star from what, T1, okay, order by SID. If it is in descending order, then it is already sorted in ascending order, then you will not understand. So DSC, okay, DSC. So it is showing you, you see, from the SID bigger, from the bigger to the smaller, all right, that is the thing. So now if I want to do the order by clause by in ascending order, then I don't need to give any keyword ASC, okay. You can give it, though even it is not required, okay. So just I am giving order by here, and I am doing out your name, okay, name ASC, name, just name, okay, not I am giving not any ASC and all, okay. So what is happening, it is actually been sorted with the name only, all right. So original is like this, okay, original is like this, okay, that is the thing, okay. And this Ranit Gupta and all, it has come up over here when you are given in this way. It's Ajay Kumar, Manish and all, this is when you have sorted it with the name, okay. So it is showing you in this way, where it has gone here, okay, all right, order by name, all right, that is the thing. That is the thing is happening out here, AM and all, okay. So in this way RS and all has been sorted out here. So order by clause has been used for sorting the data in ascending or in descending order, okay. If you want to display, if you want to order by if you want to use the order by clause, okay, select star from S1 T1. So if I want to do it with the help of date of birth and all, so what you have to do, so select, okay, star select star from what, SID, T1, okay, order by DOB, okay. So then what will happen, the set of records will be with respect to order by date of birth will be sorted in ascending order. No need to give any SC keyword, otherwise you can give SC also, doesn't matter. Okay, so it has been sorted. That is from the 00 Sujay Ghosh, and also I have forgotten to give you this one. So purpose of the order by command. Okay, and you have seen today so many queries and all right from the beginning. So just you once go with these queries, you practice it in your copy as well as you can practice it in machine also. So both will give you the same purpose, because you have to write in theory. Okay, whenever these kinds of ones will come. So from my end today this much, and order by clause you have to take more concentration, because it is doing certain purpose, and distinct keyword and all keyword also I have showed you. Okay, so okay, I will come up with some more queries in my next class, next video tutorial. Okay, you just follow this for the timing and practice it also. Okay, all right, thank you.